Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect and activate Elementor Pro. First, make sure you have the free Elementor plugin installed and active on your WordPress website. Then, from your WordPress dashboard, find the Elementor menu on the left sidebar. Click on it, and you will see an option labeled License or Connect and Activate. This is your starting point for the entire activation process. Once you click the Connect and Activate button, your browser will redirect you to the official Elementor website. Here, you will need to log into your Elementor account. If you do not yet have an account, you can easily create one on this page. This step is crucial as it links your website to your Elementor Pro license. After successfully logging into your Elementor account, you will be prompted to confirm the connection between your website and your Elementor Pro license. Simply authorize this connection when asked. The system will then automatically assign and activate your Elementor Pro license to your current website. This ensures all premium features become available immediately. Upon successful activation, you will be automatically redirected back to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate back to the Elementor license page to confirm that your license status now displays as active. With your Elementor Pro license fully connected and activated, you are now ready to explore and utilize all the powerful, advanced features it offers for building stunning websites.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.